Welcome to Transform Academy's comprehensive guide to the International English Language Testing System, or IELTS. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Whether you're aiming to study, work, or migrate to an English-speaking country, understanding the IELTS is your first step towards success. Let's embark on this informative journey together. The IELTS is a globally recognized English language proficiency test designed for non-native English speakers. Established in 1989, it's jointly managed by the British Council, International Development Programme, or IDP, IELTS Australia, and Cambridge Assessment English. Key facts: global acceptance, accepted by over 10,000 organizations worldwide, including universities, employers, and immigration authorities. Test versions: IELTS Academic, for those pursuing higher education or professional registration. IELTS General Training, for individuals aiming to work, train, or migrate to English-speaking countries. Test formats: paper-based traditional format, where answers are written on paper, computer-delivered, allows test takers to input answers using a computer with faster result processing. The IELTS assesses 4 key language skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each section is scored on a band scale ranging from 1 to 9, with 9 denoting an expert user and 1 indicating a non-user. Scoring details overall band score, the average of the 4 section scores rounded to the nearest half or whole band. Individual band scores: listening and reading. Each correct answer earns 1 mark. The total correct answers are converted into band scores. Writing and speaking assessed based on criteria like coherence, vocabulary, grammatical accuracy, and task achievement. Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR. IELTS band scores correspond to CEFR levels, aiding institutions in interpreting language proficiency: Band 9 CFR level, C2 Band 7 to 8, CFR level C1 Band 5 to 6, CFR level B2 Band 4, CFR level B1. Choosing the right IELTS test type is crucial. 1. IELTS Academic Purpose, for those applying to higher education institutions or seeking professional registration. Content: features academic texts and tasks reflecting undergraduate or postgraduate studies. And 2. IELTS General Training Purpose, suitable for individuals migrating to English-speaking countries or enrolling in secondary education and training programs. Content: focuses on everyday English skills needed in social and workplace contexts. Differences in modules: reading academic 3 long texts, ranging from descriptive to analytical, sourced from books, journals, and newspapers. General training: extracts from books, magazines, advertisements, and company handbooks, focusing on daily life scenarios. Writing academic task 1, describe visual information like graphs or charts. Task 2, write an essay responding to an argument or problem. General training. Task 1, write a letter based on a given situation. Task 2, write an essay on a general interest topic. The IELTS test comprises 4 modules, each designed to assess specific language skills. First, we have listening. The duration is approximately 30 minutes. The format includes 4 sections with 10 questions each, featuring conversations and monologues. The content is divided as follows. Section 1, a conversation in a social context. Section 2, a monologue on a general topic. Section 3, a conversation related to education or training. Section 4, an academic lecture or talk. Note: recordings are played once, so practice active listening. Next is reading. This section lasts for 60 minutes. The format includes 40 questions, testing skills like reading for gist, detail, and understanding arguments. The content varies: academic, 3 long texts from books, journals, and newspapers. General training, extracts from advertisements, manuals, and newspapers. Then there's writing. This section also lasts for 60 minutes. There are 2 tasks. Task 1 for academic. Interpret and describe visual data such as charts, graphs, or maps in at least 150 words. Task 1 for general training. Write a formal, semi-formal, or informal letter based on a given scenario. Task 2 for both. Compose an essay of at least 250 words responding to an argument, problem, or point of view. Tips for success: Allocate 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2 to manage time effectively. Use clear and coherent paragraphs with proper transitions between ideas. Finally, we have speaking. This section lasts for 11 to 14 minutes. The format includes Part 1, a structured interview where candidates answer personal questions about familiar topics like hobbies, family, and work. Part 2, a long turn where candidates speak on a given topic for 1 to 2 minutes with 1 minute of preparation time provided. Part 3, a discussion related to the Part 2 topic, exploring abstract or complex ideas. Tips for success. Maintain fluency and coherence while speaking. Use varied vocabulary and avoid repeating basic phrases. Getting started with IELTS begins with timely registration and a proper understanding of the result process. First, let's talk about registration. How to register? Well, visit the official British Council or IDP website. It's crucial to have a valid passport, as it's mandatory for registration. When should you register? It's advisable to book your test at least 15 days in advance to secure your preferred date and location. Now let's move on to results. Your results will be published online within 13 days of the test date. A test report form, or TRF, is sent by post within 30 days. Remember, IELTS scores are valid for 2 years, making them ideal for time-sensitive applications. Preparation is key to achieving your target band score. Here are some expert tips. For listening, practice with British accented audio materials like podcasts and movies. Keep the volume slightly higher in Section 1 for better clarity. For reading, master skimming and scanning techniques to locate answers quickly. Pay close attention to instructions to avoid careless mistakes. For writing, use the POWER method. Plan, organize, write, evaluate, revise. Stick to the word limit and avoid memorized or generic responses. For speaking, use strategies like brainstorming and the noun-adjective method to structure responses. Practice speaking aloud on a variety of topics to boost confidence and fluency. Take advantage of these free resources for extra practice. The British Council IELTS Prep app offers interactive materials for all 4 modules. Road to IELTS is a comprehensive online course with mock tests and practice exercises. An IELTS Practice Tests Plus provides access to sample tests to simulate the real exam environment. The IELTS exam opens doors to countless opportunities, from prestigious university admissions to global career advancements. By following the tips and strategies shared in this video, you're one step closer to achieving your dreams. Make sure you practice several times to enhance your language skills before sitting for the IELTS exam. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy for more in-depth guides and success strategies. Let us know if you need a face-to-face or one-on-one IELTS training so that we can facilitate and link you up with an experienced tutor. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video.